What's going on, hikers? Guess who I'm here with again?
What is happening?
Backpacking with Jason. What's your name?
What's going on, y'all? Grant. What's up, Michael? The guy I met from Colorado.
If you haven't seen Jason's Colorado video, make sure you go check that out. Insane out there. We're in Big South Fork today doing Angel Falls Overlook and Grand Gap Loop. Doing a quick overnighter, just out here having fun, hitting the trail, making it a blast. Michael, what do you got for us, man?
A worm. He's trying to bite me.
You know what kind of snake this is?
Yeah, it's a little garter snake, I think.
Dude, that's awesome.
I heard baby coppers put you in the hospital.
Yeah,
I heard the baby is worse.
He ain't poisonous. You can tell by his head. Whatever he is.
Sure is wanting to get out of here.
That's awesome. Another one? What do you got for us this time?
I don't know, black racer or something?
Yeah, I don't know if it's for me.
You not gonna hold it, Jeremiah?
No, I don't think I'll hold it. I almost stepped on it. I'm gonna call him Snake Handler. It's gonna be his trail name. This is two snakes he's caught in the span of like 30 minutes. Yeah.
So later tonight when we take him to the doctor, I guess who's gonna drive?
I'll be like, the doctor will be like, what kind of snake did he get bit by? I'll be like, I don't know, man. He caught like 7 snakes. It could be any one of them. This is a really cool part about doing the Angel Falls Overlook is you get to this little like kind of cliff section. It's probably maybe a 20-foot drop, 30 maybe. They put this little cable here for you as you're walking around the edge because you can see there's not much foot space. Pretty cool. I think we have found our campsite. Grant, you about ready to set up? All right.
You know I'm ready.
we got a couple hammockers. I don't know if that's the right or the wrong way. I'm sure you'll tell me in the comments below, but Grant and I, we got the 3-person, the Tri-Arch North Face on this trip. I got me a nice little flat spot over here, being a ground dweller tonight. Well, we're here, Angel Falls Overlook. Got camp set up and all that. So this is one of the highlight overlooks on this whole loop. It's pretty cool, check it out.
Some water, some cold water.
Did you put water on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he cooked it in the bag.
He's a cold soaker, man.
Whenever I have to be.
That's like a big old burrito.
What would you even call that?
Not bad.
Ramen burrito.
Ramen burrito? So we're walking here on this 6.8 mile loop. It's a little bit after 4 o'clock. And I try to tell these guys, there is no way that we're finishing this in time to get back and gather firewood, make a fire, cook dinner, all that, and catch the sunset. It's not gonna happen, but every one of them insisted, so we're gonna hike it anyway.
It'd be 7:30.
7:30?
7:30.
I'm telling you, man. I was just kidding about all that. I told him it'd be fine because this loop is pretty quick and easy. It's pretty flat, it's all on a ridge.
7:30.
7:30. Well, if we explore a lot, it probably will be.
It's all right, you can get my water.
Yeah, we have to go down and get water too. I tried to tell them, but they won't listen to me. Just hiking right along the Grand Gap Loop, baby. A minute, dude. How long do you think it's gonna take? We're almost done.
I'm gonna find us a shortcut. We take the whole way, it's too far.
No, dude, this guy's want to do a shortcut. He said he's a purist, he's digging the shortcut.
No purists.
Tell him no shortcut.
No purists. No shortcut. We are taking a shortcut.
No shortcuts. We found it.
Shortcut.
We found the shortcut. we just crossed over. Oh gosh. Our camp's this way. We're cutting off about, I don't know, a mile and a half, 2-ish miles maybe. Taking a little shortcut, doing a little trailblazing. Found an old logging road that pretty much led right to the other side where the trail runs parallel to itself. So we'll save a little time. I tried to tell those guys we couldn't do it all.
So now instead of 7 o'clock, it might be just about 6 or 6:30.
7 o'clock?
It'd be short now.
It's almost 6 o'clock. We'll be there in the next 2 minutes.
Dinner time.
One eternity later.
Here we are. Just like I said, no time flat. We got a lot of camp chores. A lot. So I'm gonna hop to it. First try. Let's see it. Oh man. We out here in it, baby. Waiting for the sun to set. Sitting right out. Absolutely gorgeous. Sun's gonna set over there. I'll walk around this tree and check it out. Get some amazing pictures. Shell Brothers, where's my shout out? Got some Doritos with me. Professional photographer over here, Michael, getting his stuff set up. He's got a time lapse going. Man, what an amazing day. Grant, what do you think?
It's awesome, man. Good stuff.
I'm loving it.
You know I was
Amazing.
like it.
Yeah,
But we did have to take a shortcut
that's true.
to get back here because I wanted to make sure to see this. But this area where you see the river and the rocks and the rapids, and then you go up top here and see the big views. Pretty good, my man.
Dude, I
Thanks
love
for
it down
bringing me
here.
out here on this one.
Absolutely, man.
Southern Kentucky is beautiful.
Hey,
We're in Tennessee.
yeah, we're in Tennessee.
I keep forgetting I'm in Tennessee.
Kentucky boys keep it rolling though.
That's right. That's right. It's going to be a beautiful sunset. Beautiful.
Does it get any better than that? I mean, amazing. Amazing. Here in just a minute, we're gonna head back to camp, get a little fire going, get the grub going, eat dinner, hang out, have some fun around the fire. As you can see, we're back at the campsite. We're getting a little bit rained on, and there has been a catastrophe. Grant's showing the fork. And where's the other side? Bridget! This was Bridget's!
Oh, no. Jeremiah broke this, and he also spilled my macaroni.
And he spilled his mac and cheese.
Jeremiah did it.
I didn't do it. I'm just kidding. I did spill the mac and cheese because my stove wasn't level.
Then he got mad and broke the fork.
I didn't break the
All
fork
out
though.
of anger.
I did not break the fork. But I did spill the mac and cheese. Just leave that in there, man. That's mountain spice. So I told Grant he didn't have to cold soak his mac and cheese. We'll cook it. And then this all happened. So we're gonna go round two. Oh. Just getting up, getting going. Got the food down. Tent tore down, all that good jazz. About to head on out of here. Jason's wrapping up his final doings. Our backpacks are all packed up.
Keeper's photography is still asleep. Michael, you getting up? Good. Grant. Jason, you ready to roll out of here?
I am ready. Good morning to you beautiful people.
You think
Nice cup of coffee.
You think Michael's ready?
About 9:30, 10 o'clock today will be.
See you, Michael. Okay.
Have fun, Louisville.
You ready, Grant?
Rock and roll.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, please do, man.
Got M&M's. That's my breakfast this morning. Rolling out.
Road walking out this morning, guys.
We out. It's a good time last night. Big South Fork area. It's awesome.
Heck yeah, dude. Had a lot of fun.
Definitely.
Till next time.
Till next time. Peace out.